Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Vindex Engineering. In today's episode, we're going to go through and build our server rack. I hope you guys enjoy. This is just a short little half rack that we got on Amazon. It was fairly cheap. It did get shipped from Canada, so it took a little bit longer than expected to get through customs, but in this video we're putting it together. We're starting out with the base and putting the feet on the base, and then we're going through and we're going to put the walls and then the top on. To help us with this project, we have our trusty assistant Drakon. He's overseeing making sure that we are putting everything in the proper place. Now that we have the top screwed down, we can put the back panel on. And once we get this done, we'll work on putting the rails on the inside. And if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for updated notifications, and stay tuned for more videos that we'll be putting out. Also, if you want, check out our other channel called Cedar Valley Acres, where we work on homesteading projects on our property in Tennessee. And here's the final project. This is what the rack looks like once we got it together. We also added our Ubiquiti stuff in here, so we got a Dream Machine Pro as well as a PoE switch and a couple of patch panels. To tie it all off, we got a little Nano HD Wi-Fi access point on top with one of the PoE phones. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want, check out some of the other videos. We have videos on the Ubiquiti stuff as well as setting up the access points and the phones. Enjoy!